Students, today we are going to read poem number 2 entitled as Cold Within, composed by James Patrick Kinney. Students, the cold within means unfriendly nature. In this poem, the poet tells us that if we are not going to share our resources with one another, then we will have to suffer a lot. Poet says that 6 humans trapped by happenstance in bleak and bitter cold. Each one possessed a stick of wood, or so the story is told. Happenstance means incident that happens all of a sudden. Poet says that 6 people met all of a sudden, and bleak means unpleasant. It was chilly winter, it was winter time, and each one of them has a log of wood. मीन्स 6 व्यक्ति थे और सभी के पास एक लकड़ी का लट्ठा था. आर सो द स्टोरी इज टोल्ड एंड दिस फॉर्म्स द setting of the story. Now come on to second stanza. The poet says as their dying fire in need of logs, but the first one held hers back. For of the faces round the fire, she noticed one was black. The poet says that burning fire was going to extinguish, and it needs fuel to keep the fire burning. And the poet first of all introduces us the first character or first person among the group, and the first one was a lady, and she was unwilling to put her log of wood into the fire so that the fire can continue to burn, because she noticed that among the 6 people there was a black woman and she was a white woman. So she was jealous of the black woman, and she thought that if I will put my log of wood into the fire, then it will be beneficial to the black woman. And so she was afraid, or we can say jealous of black woman. So she was unwilling to put her log of wood into the fire. Now come on to third stanza. The poet says that next man looking across the way saw one knot of his church and could not bring himself to give the fire his stick of birch. In the third stanza, the poet says that next man means poet introduces us the second person in the group, and poet says that next man looked across the way, and second person saw that one of the 6 men does not belong to his church, or we can say religious community. So he thought that he will not put his log of wood into the fire, because if he does so, this will be beneficial to such a person who is not related with his religion. So he did not put his log of wood into the fire. Birch means भोज वृक्ष की लकड़ी, उसे बर्च कहा जाता है। नाउ कम ऑन टू नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा, स्टेंजा नंबर 4। द थर्ड वन sat in tattered clothes. He gave his coat a hitch. The poet introduces us the third man, and poet says the third man was a poor man. He was wearing tarred and tattered clothes, and hitch means होता है to pull up or tighten his coat. When he saw that the fire is going to extinguish, he tightens his coats, or he pull up his coat. Why should his leg be put to use to warm the idle rich? And he says that I am not going to put my leg of food into the fire, because there is a rich man in the group, and if I am going to put my leg of food into the fire, it will be beneficial to the rich man. And the poor man was jealous of rich man, and the poor man thought that rich always exploited the poor, so he decided not to put his leg of food into the fire.